Welcome to my video lesson today, how to beat a speeding ticket, learn the secrets to winning in court. First of all, I would like to welcome you to this video, invite you out to my free e-course at www.trafficticketsaver.com. It's packed with tips on how to beat your traffic or speeding ticket. We've helped thousands of motorists from never paying a dime, saving on insurance rates, saving from points being added to their driver's license. It's very possible. You just need to know the secrets at www.trafficticketsaver.com. Alright, let's get into the video lesson today. First of all, you are innocent until you're proven guilty. Act as if you are unaware of the violation. This might work or might not work, but really nothing good is going to come out of you trying to get sympathy from the officer. Acting as if you're guilty but saying, please help me, nothing good will happen from that. Remember to keep the answer short and don't say anything that can be used against you in court. Study your case. Read up on the violations you're being charged with. You can have evidence thrown out if it's deemed irrelevant. Cross-examination. Even though you're not a lawyer, you will have a chance to question the officer. Try and rattle him or her by asking questions that may confuse them. Do whatever is necessary to win. Don't hold back. Use the tips. Use the method at www.trafficticketsaver.com. Use it to win. Don't hold back. Alright, if you want to learn more, join the free e-course at www.trafficticketsaver.com. It's packed with tips on how to beat your traffic or speeding ticket. We've helped thousands of motorists from never paying a dime. Check it out. It's very possible for you to win.